Hey, what's up everyone, it's ISSAC here, welcome back. So today's videos, I would like to invite my friend Big Marvel. Sorry, it's Ryan.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kinryyy. So today ISSAC will be doing my idol makeover. Are you excited?
Yes, of course. Do you?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Of course, I will make him to be a K-pop idol.
Okay.
For today, I would like to invite my friend Suga. So he's from BTS.
What the fuck?
Kidding, he's West.
I'm Rex.
So he would like to do the hair color for Ryan. So let's go.
We need to wash my hair and then we're gonna do the haircut. Something went wrong, like I look like Levi. Wait, ISSAC, I thought it's K-pop transformation, no? Why are you making me Levi from Attack on Titan?
Are you serious? I pay you $10. How's your feeling, man?
I love it so much, really.
Look good already.
Yeah.
But I would like to put a rose gold color on it. Let's go.
It's so much more than what I thought I'd be feeling. Yeah, I know it all too well, and I can tell I'm ahead of myself, I'm slowing myself down to keep my cool. Yeah, but it's hard for me.
你要明白，我唔驚曱甴，最驚係咩？最驚。
Here right now, Ryan don't know what is the hair color looks like. Do you know what is your hair color look like?
No.
Okay.
Pink, right?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Blah. Look at this. Wow.
We've only got one chance to make it.
拍咗。Guys can do makeup too.
Yeah.
Right now we are finished the transformation for Ryan. So hope you guys love these videos. So if you love these videos, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hit on the bell and you will never miss my new videos. Also, if you like to watch the funny style, just go to Ryan YouTube. What is your YouTube?
Yeah, make sure that you check out my video as well. My YouTube channel is Kinryyy, or you can search Kinryyy.
Just click down below. Alright, so see you guys next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye! Are you single, bro?
Yeah. Not gay though.
So what girl you like? What girl you are you interested?
I like all girls as long as it's
Big
girl,
ass,
not guys. Okay?
How to open the door?
Wow, 你咁開心嘅？啲機喎。
定咗半秒到1秒到。
Post 啲兩個。考順。再
They are fucking crazy. So he's from BTS. Kidding.